Hello guys, I hope you are doing well as usual. First of all, I suggest you watch this video until the end, because in this video I wanna introduce you to a magnificent software that I don't think you have ever seen before. With this software, you can convert almost any file to another file. And the software supports different file formats, more than 1,000 different files, including documents, images, audio, video, archive, and more. One of the advantages of this software is the simplicity of using this software. You just need to install this software, and using the context menu in your file explorer, you can convert your files. Like, subscribe, and stay with me. Alright, first we need to download the software from its site. For this, I open my browser and enter the website address. file-converter.io. In the site, you can download and use the free version of this software. At the beginning of this site, a short description is given about the software itself. And then you can see the format supported by this software. I already downloaded the software and now we just need to install it. As you can see, the software was installed successfully. Now, to test the software, I want to first convert an MP4 file to an MP3 file. Then, I convert a PDF file to an image. And at the end, convert an image to a PDF file. To convert a file, you need to right-click on the desired file and select File Converter. And then select the destination format that you want. Now I do this for my files. Let's go! Yes, you saw how easy it was. I hope this video is useful for you. God bless you and bye.